Today we're going to be playing Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection Online. Now I do want to mention that people have been experiencing, bad situations, meaning that they can't play online apparently. This game is still active, so it's an old game. It uses a different setting. I think it uses P2P. A lot of games don't use P2P anymore. If you don't know what that means, it means player-to-player connection. We're going to do this right now, and I'm using two PS3s, by the way. I'm not finding some random person. I'm literally finding myself. I'm looking deep within myself to find myself. I tried to do pickup match, and it didn't work. So I'm going to I'm going to create a room with my other character, and we're going to try to search my character. We're going to try a pickup match. Pickup match is supposed to be set parameters to search for opponents. This mode links to opponents directly without entering a battle room. Interesting. Let's try to do that. And we're probably not going to find anything. There's like a lot of options to search, and a lot of them are a bit weird. And as you can see, it's going to say please wait for the longest. I've tried this many times, and it doesn't do anything. So don't do quick match. If your friend creates a game, or heck, I even tried doing quick match on both the PS3s, it didn't work. So don't do that. It doesn't work, at least from what I've seen. Even if you put any player level or whatever, or rank match off, it just... I heard that you can't do that. Let's try OptiMatch. Scanning rooms, same thing. It's... oh, heck no. Oh my goodness. Okay, couldn't find a battle room. Let's do quick match. I thought I was stuck infinitely. Okay, so there's me. That's my other PS3. So we're going to back out, and we're going to do custom match, search. So... once again, me. Okay, so that's good. Friend match, there's no message. Oh, interesting. So I try to send myself an invitation, but for some odd reason, if you know anything about PlayStation games, you go to your messages. I'll show you right now. You go to your messages, and you pretty much go right here and join. There should be like a join option. Let's see if I could do it with a previous... see, this is how it's supposed to look. But since this game came out way before, I don't know what year this game came out. I probably should look that up, but a lot of old games didn't have that. So, if a friend invites you, you just go to friend match and you go right here. And boom. Click that and join. I'm already in the game. Alright, but also your friend doesn't have to just invite you to do that. You could just pretty much do quick match and join him as easily. So, we're going to join. Now we're just gonna start. The host gets to start the game, so that's how it works, I guess. I haven't played this in a long time. I kind of missed the old Tekken without the rage bar. I want to make a Tekken video actually about my experience of not playing Tekken anymore, because I'm talking about the newer ones though, because the old ones are pretty good and stuff. I just like the old ones, dude. Sorry, I just can't do it. The new ones are a bit... Tekken 7, dude, I got so much to talk about Tekken 7, but that's from a different video. This video is about Tekken 5. If you guys want to hear my my experiences with the newer Tekken games, that's a different story. But for now, I just want to show you that you can still play online. Once again, I do have 3 green bars, and we are playing. I shouldn't be lagging. And I feel like some lag. And keep it. No, actually, there's no lag. It's just the freaking preview screen on the OBS. So yeah, you're able to still play on the PS3. Also, somebody said in the video, I commented on the video that I was watching where this one girl on some YouTube channel, she said, I don't remember her YouTube channel, but she said that Tekken is not sold, dude. It's still selling. Let me log into an account, and so I could show you guys that you can still buy Tekken 5 DR online, still on PlayStation 3. Because I don't know why people like to say stuff without actual proof. I don't understand it myself, but I'm not gonna even end the match. I'm just gonna close the game, and we're gonna go to the PlayStation Store to show you guys that it's still available to buy. I do have a video on one of my other channels, but I just want to show you but I need to get on a different account because I don't. If I show you on my account, it's gonna say purchased. I need to find one. I need to go to an account that doesn't have purchase. So we'll do that in a little bit. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so I recorded this content on OBS, but since I connected a PS3 that I haven't, correctly adjusted with the audio settings, it had a really high pitched, weird thing. But that's for a different story. For now, we are going to just look for Tekken 5 DR. We're going to just go through this like if I'm recording it live, but I'm not. I'm just searching through the games looking for Tekken because I can't find it apparently. And I passed it right here. It was up there, but I missed it because the logo is so crunched in. So there you are. There you have it. You got Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection for $14.99. Also, by the way, don't buy this version. This version does not have online. As you can see right there on the bottom, it says Tekken Dark Resurrection Online Bundle. You want to buy that because if you buy Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection, you're not going to be able to get like an add-on to get the online. So you have to buy this other bundle. This bundle is actually just a game. There's no like game and DLC with it, as DLC wasn't really a big thing back in 2007. I looked up when Tekken Dark Resurrection came out on PS3, and it came out pretty much in 2007. 2006 in Japan, if you want to count that. But yeah, so there's that to take into consideration. I'm showing you that you can add it to cart, and I'm showing you that you can purchase it. I'm not going to purchase it due to the fact that I already purchased it on my main account. Before we end the video, I did talk about different regions. Last year, I was playing with someone from Europe. We were trying to connect Tekken. I didn't really want to take out one of my PS3s out and connect it to see if I could play. So I used somebody on YouTube. I guess that's a terrible way to say it, use somebody. They really wanted to play Tekken 5 with me on PS3, so we decided to play with each other. Oh, that sounds even horrible too. Anyways, he's from Europe, and we weren't able to play. I'm not sure if it's a region thing. Some games do have region lock, meaning that you can't play with a specific region. I don't know if Tekken 5 is, region lock, so don't quote me on that. So test it out with your friends in different regions to see if it works, if it does or it does not. I tried it with that one guy last year and it didn't work. But if you are in the same region, you should have no problem playing online because, it's great. I love Tekken 5 DR. It has one of the best soundtracks. It has Lily, Prime Lily, in my opinion. She's like the best in that game. But anyways, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the video. I'm out.